Hi everyone. So I'm going to talk about the WeWork company and why it failed recently in 2019. So WeWork is basically a co-working company which give lease to the different companies or rent out to the different companies their office spaces. So their business module is like leasing the buildings from the landlords and then turning them into office spaces and again renting out to the different companies. The companies who don't have their regional offices, and maybe to the startups who don't have that much of money to make office, or to the freelancer people who want to do have a dedicated space where they can work. So that was the business module. They have like four kind of memberships: hot desk, dedicated desk, private offices, custom built offices. So in a hot desk, I mean, you can just walk into the WeWork area, at the common area. You can find any seat and work whatever hours you want to. Then there were dedicated seats where you will have a office desk like everyone we have in the offices. Then we have a private office, the area being dedicatedly given to a particular company, and they have a conference room. Then they have a custom build offices. So those were the area which has been built as per the company's requirement, as per the room they wanted to have, the kind of CEO cabin, the kind of conference room they wanted to have. So that was basically a kind of work they were doing, the business they were doing into. Uh, so SoftBank was a major investor in that company, who invested almost like 5 to 7 billions in 2017 and 18. And in 2019 August, they filled the paper for the IPO. And within filling the papers, there were few questions raised for the company. Lots of negative reports came out. So the way it used to work, the unethical business practices, foul languages, and sexism. So all these things came out into the market. Even it was told that the CEO of the company encouraged the employees to drink and smoke weed in the office hours. So these were things which really hit the company. And once the CEO of the company was traveling, and when his jet landed in the Japan, some weed was found in the jet also, which was illegal in Japan. So all these things hit the company's reputation, and the valuation of the company came from 47 billion to 8 billion. So this all made the CFO to step down, and within this all happened within like 2 weeks of filling the papers. And this badly hit the company and the reputation of the company. And after the CEO stepped down from his position, SoftBank paid almost 2 billion to this CEO. And that was also in a news that it was a huge amount which was paid. And the word "we," which was patented by the CEO of the company, SoftBank paid almost 5.7 million just to get the patent from the CFO, the previous CEO of the company. And it was a huge losses actually that company was making. No one noticed that thing. They were like writing of the losses and were not showing in their audit reports as well. So this all caused the downfall of the company. And recently they have sacked almost like 30% of their employees worldwide. And software is now running the company. Thanks.